What to do if you slept with your ex too soon and he lost respect for you. Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Comment, your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to talk about this situation. What to do when you slept with your ex too soon and then he just lost the respect for you. He's not asking you questions, not talking to you. He's maybe trying to ghost you. This is a really painful situation. And I know it because unfortunately, I've coached so many women from all over the world. In today's video, I want to help you understand a situation. Sometimes men are not looking for your love. They are not here for you. They are just looking for their selfish happiness. So if you slept with a man, with your ex-boyfriend, too soon, you gave him all the power to do whatever he wants. And this is a problem in our situation. I want to make sure that today I want you to realize that when you're having sex with a man, then you will give him everything. It's like sex, it's the balance of power. When you're having sex, the man will get all the power, he'll get everything that he wants. That's why you need to be careful. You need to be careful with your body, but also your time and your attention. We don't want to be in a situation where your ex will have all the power. If you are watching our videos, I want to tell you something. If you slept with your ex too soon, it's not a big deal. You can sleep with your ex too soon because then he will come back. Even if he loses respect for you, even if he's not giving you attention, he will come back. In his mind, he owns you. And that's the problem today. He's not here for your happiness. He's not here for you. He's not here to give you something. No, he's here only for himself, to please himself. So the good news is this guy will come back to you. The bad news is I want you to change. I want you to give you some value. Stop having sex with your ex because this will not help us to get him back. It's not possible. If we give everything and then he doesn't respect you, we cannot get him back. So we need to be sure, ladies, that today you will have the power and you will tell yourself, I will show him that he lost me. I will show him that he lost me. He is losing you now because you decided that you deserve the best. When I coach women, I'm trying to really empower yourself. And this is what I'm doing in these videos. Because if you can understand that you have the power, this man can go crazy if you don't give him your body. If you are not having sex with him, he will have the respect and he will go crazy. The problem is, it's not enough. We want him to think about you. We want him to respect and to be sure that he will be here, involved and commit to the relationship. So you should stop having sex and at the same time, you need to show him what he is losing. What will you build in your life? How can you react and make sure that your life will never be the same? If we can have this vision and this mindset, it will allow you to empower yourself, to be confident, and to show him exactly that he is losing you. And at this moment, he will lose the control. He will come back to you. You need to make sure that you will set some boundaries. He has to invite you to the restaurant. He has to make some plan. He has to fight for having a kiss. Just a kiss, he has to fight for it. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but Alex, if I'm doing it, I will lose you forever. The answer is no. You will win him because you will have the power. And this type of men, when you're having sex together and they are not respecting you after, it's only because you're just too needy. You're putting them on a pedestal. You're losing the control. They can do whatever they want. They will do mistakes. In today's video, you need to understand that men work differently. You can have a lot of results just by having the control and telling yourself, I want them to fight for me. And this is so powerful that I will help you to build this new relationship. If you want to go further, leave a comment. Talk to me about your situation. Leave a like and subscribe. Hit the button here to subscribe to Love Advice TV, this amazing YouTube channel. We can help you rebuild the love with this man. But first, you need to rebuild the respect to yourself. You deserve the best. You deserve all the respect from a man. And by having sex, you're giving them so much about you, so much attention, so much things that we need to stop. If you want to go further, come on withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles talking about your specific situation. You can book a private coaching session with me because together in just one session, we can create the action plan and make sure that your ex will regret everything about the breakup. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.